Welcome to Wexler Productions again. Today we're going to show you how to import footage into your DaVinci Resolve timeline or into your DaVinci Resolve project. So there's obviously a lot of things that people do initially. What they'll do is they'll just import the footage alone. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do it in folders where you can create bins of the various items that you'll be needing, such as your footage, your music, your sound effects, etc. So here in DaVinci Resolve, you'll see there's an area here under your media pool, and as it stands, it says no clips in media pool at the moment. So you'll go and get your footage and your clips. So you'll get it from here and you'll take it all. So you see I've got here footage, music, sound effects, just to show you guys. You'll drag that into your master area here and you'll see it's all nice and organized. So you have your footage, your music, your sound effects. Obviously I have not got anything at the moment in them, but you obviously will organize that before importing everything into your project, and then obviously you go from there. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more videos.